Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our 2009 Yamaha V-Star 950. This V-twin cruiser just arrived with only 14,500 miles. Really beautiful metallic red paint scheme with a nice gold pinstripe. Fuel injection. It's got a windscreen, floorboards, saddlebags, passenger backrest, and best of all, belt drive, so no chain to mess with. Come on by and get your middle-aged dreams V-twin midweight, just $49.99. This bike is in beautiful shape. It's not going to be here long. We have financing. We have extended warranties. Check us out on the web, www.contracostabs.com. For any given time, we have 30 to 40 beautiful, clean, used bikes in stock. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.